Lord, what fools these mortals be. Sorry, didn't mean to mislead you. This isn't about to be Shakespearean or anything like that. It just sometimes feels like my words alone aren't enough for them. Ugh, I'm in a bad mood today. My view has been perpetually fucked thanks to this Brita bitch over here. Sorry, she just takes up the whole room and no one ever wants to do the work to refill her. She's just completely useless. Luckily, 11 a.m. is early for these fools, and since it's Saturday, I'm sure I just got time to chill. Holy shit! Okay, never mind then. Well, here we go, starting the day early. Like, okay, I understand you are the breakfast guy and need validation through this familial dad stuff people seem to like, but also maybe try and plan ahead next time. Oh, look, there's the other one. Now, she may look busy, but she's busy getting out of doing things. She's gonna want him to make her a chai. Wait for it. Ah, there. Regular milk? Okay, well that's 2 out of the 3. And there he is. Okay, this guy is something. I have never seen someone rely on liquid courage so much. Okay, we got Miss Piggy, Sir Sniffs a Lot, and Dick. Yes, that's his actual name. Actually, he's not the worst of them. Kills about 6 beers a night, and no one has any idea he's had that many, because he strategically scatters them around in here. Here's one. Ugh, she wants to throw together a salad. Oh look, her 2 favorite vegetables. Yes, she commonly refers to sweet potato as a veggie. That's 2. 3. Already? Sir, you're good. The sell-by isn't until a month from now. And 4. Very subtle. Much salad. Very green. Sir, I promise you're good. 5. Oh my god. No comment. 6. Nice. Good spot. Humans and their habits. Look, if they're happy, I'm happy. I'm feeling better. It's quiet and I'm reflecting on some Angelou to keep my peace. I'll end my day with an homage to you. You always said it best, obviously. My mission in life is not merely to survive, but to thrive. And do it with some passion, some compassion, some humor, and some...